In today's video, we will guide you through the process of deleting your Coinbase account. If you've decided to move on from Coinbase or simply no longer need your account, we'll show you the steps to close it down. Before we show you how to close your Coinbase account, there are a few things you need to consider. For starters, you need to make sure there are no pending transactions or balances left on the platform. You can transfer funds to an external hardware or software wallet or transfer them directly to another crypto exchange. Also, any outstanding issues or concerns with Coinbase's customer support should be resolved before deleting your account. With that said, here are the steps you need to follow in order to delete your Coinbase account. First, open your browser and log into your Coinbase account. Once you're logged in, look for the profile settings. This can be found by clicking on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now that you're in the account settings, scroll down until you find the option to close your account. Click on Close Account. You'll be asked to provide your Coinbase password to continue. Enter your password and click on Close Account to proceed. If you've successfully emptied your account and have no pending activity on any accounts registered in your name, you can close the account by clicking the Close My Account button. This will permanently close your Coinbase account. It is worth noting that Coinbase will retain some of your information for a minimum of 5 years after the account is closed to comply with legal obligations and prevent fraud. Deleting your Coinbase account is a straightforward process if you follow the steps outlined in this guide. Remember to clear any pending transactions, withdraw your funds, and cancel recurring orders before initiating the account deletion. Additionally, ensure that you have resolved any support issues and confirm the deletion process as instructed by Coinbase. By taking these precautions, you can safely and securely delete your Coinbase account.